We're at the Pinstripes. We're supposed to be playing Bocce. And it's supposed to go like this.
The goal of Bocce Ball is to get more points than the other team. Score points by rolling your bocce balls closer to the white ball than your opponents. To get started, split up into 2 teams and give each team 4 balls of the same color. Then, throw the white ball, called the palina, halfway down the court. Have each team take alternating turns, rolling their bocce balls toward the white ball. You can hit the palina with your balls to reposition it, or hit the other team's balls to knock them away from the palina if you'd like. If a bocce ball goes out of bounds or hits the wall of the court, it is a dead ball and is ignored at the end of the round. After all 8 bocce balls are thrown, go to the palina and check to see which team ended with a ball closest to it, or use a measuring tape to get precise measurements. The team with the closest ball is the only team that can score that round. Award 1 point for each ball that is closer than the opposing team's closest ball. A maximum of 4 points can be awarded in a single round. After points have been calculated, each team picks their balls back up, and the winning team rolls the palina to start a new round. Play until a team reaches 12 points to determine the winner.
Okay, let me explain this to you more. This is called the palina. It's usually silver and heavy tape measure. And this is the bocce balls. And this is called the court. That's where you're going to be playing the bocce, just like the guys did over there. And, you know, just like the instructions said, that, you know, the closer to the palina, to the silver ball, that's your goal, to get them close to that. And the tape measure is actually used to kind of measure, you know, who's closer to the palina.
So far. Maybe not. Boom!
Okay, one of the objects of the game has actually happened there, where you can knock off other team's ball, so your ball can get closer to that palina, or you can knock off your team ball to get it closer to the palina. So it's pretty cool. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that palina, the silver metal ball, is pretty heavy, so you might want to be careful when you're tossing them around. It's not like you're tossing a football or anything like that, or the kids. And the cool thing about that is you can roll your bocce balls like anywhere you want, or the way you want it, just like the guy did there.